we're going to do a little bike check for the Verde Eon. Okay, so we got long neck SS grips. We got a white animal brake line. We got a Mission front loader stem. We got Maxxis, and you can see that end tread tires. We got this is actually Anthony Napolitan's spiked seat off of his DK6 bag. Again, Maxxis tires. We got an Alienation black sheep back rim with a left side Mission hub. As you can see, it's on the left and sprocket's on the left. The sprocket is it's a 9-tooth back rim. We got a 28-tooth Econoline poverty sprocket. So we're running 28.9 instead of 25.9 and 28.10. These pedals are just put on today. They are Animal Hamilton PC. Really nice pedals. It's a 2012 Verde Eon frame. Stock cranks. We got an Odyssey front rim, which we are soon to get. It's getting smoked right now. An Alex Super Upbeat triple wall with a Odyssey hub, and we get Odyssey spokes. And these bars, we got Odyssey bars, short bars. And we got Odyssey brakes, Odyssey brake pads, and as you can see, hub's pretty loud. We got a purple half-link chain, good chain, really strong. If you're gonna run a half-link, I recommend running a really thick sprocket because it'll make your sprocket like really sharp and brittle. So yeah, that's the Verde.